Welcome to Chadher YouTube channel. Today I have a OnePlus HP 18V Brushless EZClean 600 PSI 0.7 GPM Cordless Cold Water Power Cleaner by RYOBI. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button for future videos update. This cordless power pressure tool is very simple to use and put together. To attach the extension nozzle, simply align the arrows, then push to connect. That's it. The power pressure technology combines a brushless motor, advanced electronics and high-performance lithium technology to deliver up to 600 PSI, making it ideal for cleaning windows, boats, patio furniture, grills, tire wheels, and other delicate applications. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of runtime on the medium pressure setting using an 18V 1+4AH lithium battery. A neat feature about this power pressure is that it comes with a quick connect and disconnect a water hose for easy and quick removal. Now let's see how well this portable water pressure performs on a task. This power pressure tool can draw water from any water source like a bucket, water container jug or water bottle. It comes with the necessary accessories you'll need. Today I'll be drawing water from a 7-gallon water jug I bought from Amazon. Let's see how it works. This water jug works perfectly with this power pressure tool. I bought 2 jugs so I can continuously use the tool without delay. Once one jug empty, you simply switch to the second jug and refill the other jug while the second one is being used. This water pressure tool is not powerful enough to clean your driveway, but have plenty of pressure to clean your patio furnitures, panels, sheds, dirty walls, and any small projects like this one. We put this tool to the test and it did well, removing dirts from cracks and not damaging the paint at all. It's very gentle, but have enough power to get the job done for what I'm using it for. I'm very happy with the results. Complete a variety of quick and detailed cleaning applications with 3 power settings ranging from 100 to 600 PSI. Experience maximum performance with just the pull of a trigger without the hassle of gas or cords. For battery run time, I would say one full charged with a RYOBI battery will last for a whole 5-gallon jug of water. I think that is pretty good. Now enjoy the rest of this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.